Hey guys, Rudy Jones here. Okay, I just want to talk to you about these Nudura vertical joint clips. We're working on this Nudura insulated concrete form house right now, and we use these quite a bit. So I just want to talk about what they are and where we actually use them. So these vertical joint clips are an 8 5/8 long pre-bent galvanized steel wire that enables Nudura forms to be securely connected at the vertical joints. The vertical joint clips replaces the need for tape and or tie wire and provides a solid, secure connection with minimal amount of labor. This helps ensure no additional moment of the forms occur during concrete placement. The way they work is they slip into the corners of the form. It's gonna be hard to get this one out because I've got this, well, I'll move this wire up here. This is a ladder straightening wire that we put in Tuss forms. We'll talk about that in another video, but here's one of the vertical joint clips here. So this is a corner form. As you can see, it starts here, comes around, and obviously it switches sides at each course. So for the very first course of the building, we put 8 of these per corner form. So they snap in like this. So we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4 at the bottom of this one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, total of 8 at the bottom of that on the first course. And then for the first course of standard forms, we would put 4 of them at each standard to standard connection. So 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, because on your first course, you don't really have anything holding the bottom from separating. So that's why you need 4 of them there. Then every successive course we did for the whole house, we used 8 of them at the corner. So we always filled up every slot at the corner. So 4 on this side, 4 on that side, because the corners are what you really want to hold together. And then for the standard to standard connections, we would only use 2 at the top. And we did that for the entire house. It's pretty easy to figure out how many you need. There's about 200 in a box, and they really help keep everything together. So if you guys got any other questions about these or how they work, feel free to leave a comment there in the comment section. But thank you for watching.